seeds each for each of these flower heads. I consider sunflowers magnets because they attract us because they're so beautiful and easy to grow, but they also attract butterflies as well as hummingbirds and honeybees. And then for those insects that we don't particularly like around, such as aphids and ants, they can also attract those over here onto the sunflowers away from plants like my tomatoes and other things growing in the vegetable garden. So you see, the sunflower has so many purposes, not to mention all the things that we create from sunflower seed, such as cooking oils, medicines, paint, animal feed.
If we place a strong light at one side of this fuchsia plant, the plant will grow towards it. This is called a phototrophic response. But what controls such a response? If the tip of the plant is protected from the light using a small cap, the plant will continue to grow upward. This suggests that there is something at the tip of the plant that controls the direction of growth. Growth in plants reflects the way in which they interact with the environment.
Oh. Oh.
Carnivorous plants have existed for millions of years, but it was Charles Darwin, the British naturalist, who brought their existence to our attention a century ago. A plant that captures and devours animals represents a formidable challenge for the laws of nature, and this is precisely what attracted Jean-Jacques Labat. Jean-Jacques currently owns an extraordinary collection that he grows at his home in the Gers region of France. The best known of the 550 species is the Venus flytrap, found in the United States. The two reasons for its celebrity status are its trap mechanism, which is active, and that possesses all the attributions of a carnivorous being: teeth, jaws, and a mouth. It has been a source of inspiration for numerous comic artists, but it is doubtful that the flies and insects that it seeks to devour recognize these qualities. After a period of digestion that lasts on average between 5 and 10 days, the Venus flytrap opens up once more to exhibit its prey, sapped of any semblance of life force. We know that insects have a highly developed sense of smell. This being the case, it is extremely difficult for them to resist the wonderful fragrance of nectar that is secreted by the Sarracenia from North America. This fragrance entices the insects closer and closer to the slippery, waxed, cornet-shaped leaves that send their prey sliding down to certain death by drowning in a pool of water. The perfect trap, but with one flaw. Whether the plant is hungry or not, its leaves continue to furnish a constant supply of goodies.
Oh, now just look at this. Look this. This is an example of a carnivorous plant with indigestion. This Sarracenia is too greedy, it's just like me, and it's eating too much, so it's got indigestion. Now, if we open it up, like this, we'll see on the inside, look, all these partially digested insects, and there are some that are still alive. This proves that carnivorous plants are really well-informed gourmets. The digestive enzymes that they secrete only attack the insects to which the plant is particularly partial. The wings and chitin of certain insects